Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the processor output types and amplifier inputs so signals match. This prevents level or impedance mismatch. Once done, power both units off and unplug them. Safety first. Make sure you have the right cables, balanced XLR or TRS for lowest noise, RCA only if unbalanced outputs are unavoidable. Also gather adapters and a multimeter. Begin with the processor set to unity gain to avoid clipping. When you first apply power and signal, now connect the signal paths. Route each processor output to the matching amplifier input and label them for left/right and zones because misrouting causes phase and mixing problems. Use balanced XLR or TRS when runs exceed 6 to 10 feet to cut hum and interference. Once connected, set the processor output at unity and keep amp input gains low. This gives you headroom. Make sure ground lifts or link settings are correct if the amp and processor share different grounding schemes. Power on the processor first, then the amplifier. This prevents thumps that can damage speakers. You should play a low-level test tone and sweep through frequencies while watching the processor meters and amplifier indicators. Adjust crossover points, EC, and delay one change at a time so you understand each effect. Increase amp gains slowly to reach the target level. If you encounter hum or no signal, check cable polarity and grounding, confirm the amp input selection, and swap cables to isolate the fault. Start troubleshooting there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.